Welcome to the European Tour Performance Institute. My name is Wayne Johnson, Director of Instruction. Today we're going to talk about how we can improve your ball striking, especially when it comes to wedge play. What we've done, we've laid down a towel about a foot behind the ball, and what we want to work on is trying to get you to make a really nice, positive contact, ball and turf. What we see with many amateur golfers, the tendency to try and scoop the ball in the air to get some flight on the ball. If we can work in this technique, we're going to control distance and trajectory, and we're going to get more consistency in your striking. So let's just try one. We've positioned the ball about a foot in front of the towel. I've got my wedge, I'm playing the ball fairly centered, I'm holding my weight on my forward foot, and when I swing back, I'm keeping the club up above the towel, and as I come down, I'm letting my lower body release to hit the shot. Let's put one in play for you. Now if you work on that technique, you're going to get a great shallow divot, you're going to make more controlled spinning the ball and have more consistency on the golf course.